The 2015-2021 Honda Civic requires regular maintenance to ensure reliability and longevity. Honda recommends following either a normal or severe service schedule depending on driving conditions. Normal driving includes mostly highway use, while severe driving involves stop-and-go city traffic or towing. Maintenance is based on mileage or time, whichever comes first. Key areas include engine oil and filter changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles using 0W20 synthetic oil. Tire rotation and inspection at the same interval. Brake inspections every 10,000 to 12,000 miles. Transmission fluid replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Air filter replacement for cabin and engine. Cooling system flush every 5 years or 100,000 miles. Annual inspection of battery and belts, with belt replacement every 100,000 miles. Adhering to this schedule is crucial for preventing costly repairs. Core maintenance items emphasize using OEM parts for reliability in your Honda Civic. Hybrid models from 2019-2021 require specialized battery maintenance every 5,000 miles. Stay informed about recalls such as the Takata airbag recall affecting many 2015-21 Civics. Airbag replacement is free at dealerships. Be aware of potential software updates for infotainment systems in your Civic. As the automotive industry shifts towards electrification, maintenance for gas models like the 2015-2021 Civic is evolving with digital diagnostics and predictive analytics. Apps like Honda Link offer maintenance reminders and look for sustainable options like synthetic oils and remanufactured parts to save costs. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your Civic and maintain its resale value.